Hello children, welcome to Guru Gobind Singh Public School and Junior College. Dear children, today we are going to learn subject geography for standard 6th. Dear children, let's start our next revision number 2 for the lesson number 7, rocks and rock types. Children, what we learn in the lesson? What are rocks? So what are rocks, children? Rocks are a mixture of different minerals formed by natural process in the lithosphere. Children, silica, aluminium, magnesium and iron are the major rock forming minerals. They are found on land and even below the land, that is earth crust. The properties of rock depends upon the constituent of minerals, the proportion of minerals and the formation process. There are three types of rocks. First one is a igneous rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rock. So children, due to the high temperature, the materials present in the earth crust are in a molten state and this molten material is known as magma. Sometimes due to the pressure inside the earth's surface, the magma gets released or erupt through the fissures in the earth crust and this is known as volcano and the eruption is known as an volcanic eruption. Children, when the hot magma flows on the earth's surface, it is known as lava and the molten magma inside the earth crust and the lava on the earth's surface solidifies on cooling to form igneous rock. Dear children, this igneous rock is also said to be a primary rock. So dear children, the pressure leads to compaction of the sediments and development of sedimentary rocks. The different layer of the sedimentary rocks can be seen easily. Next one is a metamorphic rock. The word metamorphism means change in form. Metamorphic rocks are formed when the pre-existing igneous and sedimentary rock change their forms. The tremendous pressure and the heat generated due to the volcanic activity and other earth movement make the minerals forming the igneous and sedimentary rocks to change their nature and chemical composition to form new structure. As a result, the crystals in the original rocks get recrystallized, means metamorphosed, leading to the formation of metamorphic rock. After that, children, the map is given in your textbook. The map, it shows the distribution of major rock type in Maharashtra. So, the following types of rocks form the land of Maharashtra. In the index also it is given: basalt, granite, laterite and sedimentary. So, basalt, dear children, basalt is a type of igneous rock. It is formed due to the volcanic eruption and in Maharashtra, thick and expensive layer of basalt rock are spread over a vast region. Then granite. Granite is another type of igneous rock. It covers the district of eastern Maharashtra like Gondia, Gadchiroli, Bhandara, Nagpur and part of Nanded, Yavatmal and Chandrapur. It is also found in some parts of Sindhudurga district in South Konkan. Then the laterite rock. These are mostly found in the coastal regions of Konkan in Maharashtra. It is found in the Ratnagiri and Sindhudurga district. Next one is a sedimentary rock. This covers small portion of northern Maharashtra which includes the Nandurbar, Dhule, Jalgaon, Buldana, Akola and Amravati district. So fill in the blanks for this lesson. First one, dash is not a major rock forming mineral. What it is? Manganese. Second one, igneous rocks are formed out of molten material known as dash. Dear children, it is magma. The type of rock typically found in Ratnagiri and Sindhudurga district is laterite. Dash rock is porous. Which rock it is? Sandstone. Question, that is odd man out. First one, limestone, sandstone, granite and shell. The correct answer is granite. Second one, marble, diamond, slate and pumice. The correct answer is pumice. Third one, Pune, Satara, Raigad, Sindhudurga. Correct answer is Sindhudurga. Question, that is answer in one word. The rock that is used in ornament. Which rock it is? It is a diamond. Next one, rock that can be burned or used as fuel. It is a coal. City of Rajasthan near which red sandstone is found. That is Jaipur. Then metamorphosed form of limestone, it is a marble. Question, answer the following. What determines the properties of rock? Answer is the properties of rock are determined by constituent mineral, their proportion and also by their formation process. Next one, write any one characteristics of primary rock. Children, primary rocks appears hard and homogeneous. Which rock covers the major land of Maharashtra? Answer is the basalt rock covers the major land of Maharashtra. What are rocks? Rocks are a mixture of various variety of minerals formed by natural process. Name the three type of rocks. Depending on the process by which it is formed, rocks can be classified as igneous rock, that is primary rock, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rock. Next question, children. Which type of rocks are predominantly found at the following location, that is central Maharashtra? Children, at the central Maharashtra we can see a basalt rock. At the south Konkan there is a laterite and granite. Then the Vidarbha we can see the basalt, granite and sedimentary rocks. So dear children, the next question is you have to write a difference between igneous and sedimentary rock, sedimentary and metamorphic rock, igneous and metamorphic rocks. Children, we had revised today summary of the lesson. Fill in the blanks, odd man out, answer the following, answer in one word and difference between. What we had learned today, as per that you have to complete the given revision in your classwork notebook. Children, we have revised the chapter. Best of luck for your second unit test. Thank you very much.